Bloom's Taxonomy. Bloom's taxonomy was created in 1956 by Benjamin Bloom and collaborators Max Engelhardt, Edward First, Walter Hill, and David Krathwohl. Bloom's taxonomy was created as a framework for categorizing educational goals and is formally known as Taxonomy of Educational Objectives. Bloom's taxonomy has 6 major categories and is currently used by teachers to form learning objectives. The original taxonomy was created in 1956, later to be revised in 2001, and included these 6 categories: knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. In 2001, Bloom's taxonomy was revised by a group of cognitive psychologists and renamed a taxonomy for teaching, learning, and assessment. Each category was renamed with verbs or action words to describe the process in which students encounter and work with knowledge. The 6 categories are now named remember, understand, apply, analyze, evaluate, and create. Remember uses action words such as recognize or recall. Understand uses action words such as classify, identify, or explain. Apply uses action words such as execute or implement. Analyze uses action words such as compare, contrast, or examine. Evaluate uses action words such as support, argue, or defend. Create uses action words such as construct or develop. Along with renaming the 6 categories for cognitive process, a table was created for the knowledge the students would need to have or to gain in order to complete the objective. They named it the knowledge dimension, and it contains 4 types of knowledge: factual knowledge, conceptual knowledge, procedural knowledge, and metacognitive knowledge. Factual knowledge is the basic elements a student must know. Conceptual knowledge is the interrelationships among the basic elements within a larger structure that allow them to work together. Procedural knowledge is how to do something. Metacognitive knowledge is knowledge of cognition in general, as well as knowledge of one's own self. The main way that Bloom's taxonomy is used in the classroom is through lesson planning, objectives, alignment, and assessment. Having these action verbs allows teachers to write concise lesson plans and objectives that clearly state what the students should be learning and doing. The use of these action verbs also provides teachers with a framework that builds off of itself and seamlessly aligns objectives for comprehensive learning. Teachers also use Bloom's taxonomy to create assessments that align with their objectives and learning outcomes. By using these action words, teacher can easily measure if the student has completed the task asked of them.